Imagine adopting a magical puppy. This puppy fetches sticks, but it also grabs a pencil and scribbles down the answers to your math homework or paints a masterpiece right before your eyes. That magical puppy is artificial intelligence, like ChatGPT, and it is already out in the real world doing things like driving cars through busy city crosswalks. Just like a new pet changes a family's daily routine, this technology is finding its way into how we shop, how we learn, and even how we talk to each other. But our puppy is going through a giant growth spurt. It is getting bigger and smarter much faster than anyone expected. Because it is growing so quickly, it is starting to knock things over and create some messy problems that we can no longer ignore. To keep this technology helpful and safe, we first need to take a close look at the 3 biggest messes it is currently making. The first mess comes from a giant appetite. People often talk about AI living in the cloud, which makes it sound invisible, but it actually lives inside massive physical buildings. These buildings are called data centers. They are giant warehouses packed from floor to ceiling with thousands of computers that run incredibly hot. Every time millions of people ask the AI a question, those computers work so hard they need vast amounts of water to stay cool. Global AI water demand equals the household use of millions of Americans. Running these computers also drains enormous electricity, creating carbon pollution equivalent to adding millions of cars to the roads. The brain of our AI puppy relies on physical resources that take a heavy, invisible toll on our planet's environment. The second mess comes from copycat bad habits. To get so smart, the AI reads almost everything written on the internet to learn how the world works. The trouble is that the internet is full of mean and unfair information. The AI accidentally absorbs those human flaws and treats them as the truth. Think of a robot gym teacher that only read books about tall athletes. When it comes time to pick a team, the robot might end up only recognizing the tall kids and completely ignoring the shorter ones. This means computers can make unfair choices about real people, like deciding who is right for a job or who should be approved for a bank loan. The third mess is that our puppy is a master mimic. It has learned how to wear digital masks. People call these masks deepfakes. AI can now perfectly copy a real person's face and their voice. This is dangerous because it can be used to trick people. Someone could create a video of a person saying something that never actually happened, making it easy to spread lies during important events like elections. When computers can copy reality this well, it becomes much harder to tell what is a real recording and what is just a digital trick. With all of these giant messes, you might wonder if we should just give up on the puppy. But the answer is no. What it really needs is to go to obedience school. It needs a leash and a secure fence to keep it from getting into trouble. In the real world, scientists and governments are acting as that obedience school. They are actively writing new safety laws for AI. These laws act as the leash. They force companies to build AI that treats people fairly, uses less energy, and cannot be used to trick us. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that will be involved in the jobs we do and the way we solve problems in the years ahead. But no matter how smart the computer gets, human beings are still the ones in charge. We don't have to be scared of tomorrow, as long as we take responsibility for these tools today. Because we are the ones holding the leash, humanity gets to decide how this technology grows up to help everyone.